Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I highly appreciate it. Just want to start out the video by saying if you want me to make a video tomorrow, question and answer video, make sure to drop a comment below with the hashtag Q&A. I already have two questions, so I guess I already am making the video, but if you want your question answered, make sure to leave a comment. It can be about anything. Can't guarantee that I will answer it if it's too personal, but I will do my best to answer every question as best as possible. So going ahead and getting started here, turn on the lights from yesterday, and everything worked except one of them where the wire came loose up in the skylight. So I had to go up there and fix that, just reconnect the wire once I found out where the wire was and plug that back in and got that working. And then went outside and was working on this little, I don't even know what you call it, but it's a little wooden house thing to or a little wooden circle. It kind of looks like an outside shower, but it is for this water retrieving system off the roof to power the, or not to power, but to water the plants or whatever. So there's a giant water tank in there, and then working on the outside lights. So on one side there's the lights, and on the other side you'll see the boxes and the flexible tubing, and just wired those up. Mostly everything was already done. I did connect the last tube to the junction box, mounted the last junction box up for the lights, and then once I got all those done, and then I made up the little light junction box you'll see at the second or third picture right at the very bottom of the screen. And then I went ahead and worked on the plugs right below that at the end of the day. And then to the right of that, on the other side of the little walk-in door, I worked on the changing the home runs. Basically there is a 1-inch conduit, 1-inch flexible conduit coming into the box, and there's 4 home runs, and I had to take one of them, or I had to take the circuit and change the direction of where it was going. So I sent the home run up into the little 6x6 junction box, and then just rerouted the wires, not changing any of the locations of the wire physically, but basically the home run that it was spliced to going over the top of the little walk-in door, I use that as the load side because there's going to be a contactor in the 6x6 box. So changed the direction of the home run going up to the box, and then added two new wires, or 2 new sets of wires, a hot and a neutral, and a ground, going up into the 6x6 box. So changed the direction of the home run, and then added the second set of wires for the load, and that just went back over to the plug, because basically what's happening is they want when the sprinkler comes on, it needs more pressure to push out the water, so the pump needs to come on at the same time, which will be plugged into the plug-in over there. So as soon as the contactor comes on, it'll turn on the water pump, and then it'll also send out a signal to turn on the sprinklers, if I remember that correctly. So 2 things come on at the same time and shut off at the same time. So anyways, yeah, I think that just about wraps it up. And then I just once I had to take the plugs out, and then I basically just rewired that, and then made that all back up, and then stuck the plugs back on, and that pretty much wrapped up my day if I didn't miss anything. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I will be doing a giveaway here real soon, probably tonight. I just have to go take a shower and put some clothes back on for a video. So anyways, make sure to stay tuned for that, and probably run that for a week. And yeah, make sure to check that out, and I'll do another Cash App giveaway. So make sure to check that out, and I will announce the winner in a week, and that'll do it. Thanks guys for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. And like I said, I'll be doing the Q&A video tomorrow because I'm not working tomorrow. And yeah, maybe I'll stop by the house. And yeah, so anyways, today is day 1 of my house. It has officially begun. If you didn't check it out already, I already made the video, so go check that out. And that should do it, guys. Go take a peek at what my house is up to if you're interested. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. And check the description for anything else. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks, guys. Peace out. Love you guys. And thanks for all the new subscribers. Awesome. And also, someone dropped a fence on the car, and that's what this picture is about. So, yeah. Someone dropped a fence on the car and scratched it. So anyways, not my car, but anyways, it's kind of sad. But anyways, it didn't make any dents or anything. It just scratched the paint. But as you can see, the paint's already coming off. So not a big deal. But this is why we can't take our nice car. This is why we can't take our Corvettes to work on the daily. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.